Welcome back everyone, I hope you're all good. In today's video I will be talking about the ultimate question. Buy a Tesla, or buy Tesla stocks. First, please know that this is not financial advice and the video was made for entertainment purposes. So, the teal question on everyone's mind is, do I buy a Tesla or do I buy Tesla stocks? Right, first you need to decide whether you want luxury or if you want to save money. If the answer is luxury, then let's dive into the right answer. You will be shocked. So, if you want luxury, then I would actually recommend buying Tesla stocks. Yes, I know you're shocked, but hear me out. Right, so the new Tesla Model Y is currently $60,000, which is a huge amount of money, whereas if you brought $60,000 worth of Tesla stocks, in 2020 Tesla stocks grew around 35% throughout the year, so you would have made an extra $21,000 on top of $60,000, so you would have walked away with $81,000. If you left the $60,000 in and took the $21,000 profit you made out, then you could have put $21,000 down on a Tesla Model 3, and if that $60,000 made you the same 35% this year, then you could buy a Tesla Model 3 outright and still have your $60,000 invest. Investing in the stock market has so many benefits, but obviously also has a lot of consequences. But since Tesla has been on the uptrend ever since the stocks become available in 2010, when the stock price was just $3. If you would have brought $1,000 worth of share back in 2010 and you sold them today for $670, then you would have a grand total of $223,000. Crazy, right? So, on the other, we have saving money with buying a brand new Tesla Model Y, and the reason you're saving money is because you're effectively paying less for petrol each week, so you're saving money. You're also helping the environment, which is an amazing thing to do also. But, buying a Tesla is not a great way to look after your money. When buying a brand new car from a showroom, the minute you drive it out you will lose a ton of value on the car, and it just isn't an effective way to save money. Right, so let's talk about why it isn't the best idea to buy a Tesla. This isn't me saying you shouldn't buy one, it's just me trying to educate your decision. So, to start with, if you're old school or hate technology, then this car probably is just not for you. The car is like a time-traveled piece of technology. You can make the car feel like you're on Mars, dance to music and look like you're in Santa's sleigh, and for someone who is just looking for a casual car, then I recommend maybe like a Audi or BMW. One cool feature Teslas have though is because they are electric, they do not need to warm up. So the seats are always warm and the AC blows warm air straight away. The next reason that a Tesla probably isn't the best car to buy is safety. In case you're unaware, the Tesla cars are super quiet, and it's because they're electric. When driving an electric car, it is hard for people to hear the car coming, so if you live on a busy estate or village, then remember to drive slow. The Tesla also gets super fast, super quick. If you're a calm driver and like to take your time and take in the view, then this car probably is not for you. My next topic question is, should you buy Tesla stocks? So, obviously I'm sure you're aware Tesla was the first fully all-electric car, and because of this it has huge potential for the future in terms of the stock price. In the future we hope that there will no longer be petrol cars on the road and they will be all electric, and when we make this change and look back into who was the first company to make this change, Tesla will always been remembered for that, and this is the best piece of free marketing any business can get. A lot of huge investors believe that Tesla's market cap will reach into the trillions in the next 10 years, which mean you could 10x your money. They also believe that Tesla stocks will reach anywhere from $3,000 to $6,000 per share, which would be amazing. So, you can see the logic in whether buying a Tesla or buying Tesla stocks is the right answer. On one hand, you will be losing money the minute you drive your Tesla out of the showroom, and on the other hand, you could invest the same money, say $50,000, and in 10 years that will be worth $500,000. Right. I know this has been quite a short video, but I wanted to keep it short and just make it more of a laugh. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe for more personal finance, investment, real estate, and a load more. See you soon.